Hey, what's going on, girls and guys, men and women, YouTube? I'm still here at the Bridgeville self-serve laundromat, followed by dry cleaners here at Bridgeville, Pennsylvania. This washer, Meyer or Monlore, or I don't know pronounce the name of it. Washer got that. We just got that full close out of these HP washers, and we're in progress. The match discovery got done with this one, American Computer Dryer. I was about to record unloading it, but unfortunately more notifications YouTube keep coming up and advertisements, so this ridiculous spam. So we're gonna use this HP to wash or dryer. So here we go. Hold on. So I'll show you guys. Okay. Let's see. Can you move this basket all the way? Thanks. I'm with my mom. No, I'm seeing that one. Well, I'm gonna use that one right next to you.
Alright, you want me to unload it?
I'm gonna load it. This turn. Your dress sheets?
We might have used them.
No, we didn't. We got a few.
I think we did.
Ah.
I think we did.
Oh.
Because the bag was empty.
Oh.
All right, well,
check the car a minute.
It's okay.
All right. Oh, there it goes. 6 minutes. Yeah. It's kind of strange. Oh. There it goes.
Okay, there we go.
Alright, so that's the dryer. That's loading the dryer out of the Maya washer. This one is broken. I need to try. I'm gonna check out the claw machine in just a sec. But yeah, 3 minutes up in the American Computer Dryer, and then so far I'm gonna go from there. So I'm gonna make one more video of me trying the claw machine, and hopefully maybe win. You never know. That being said, thank you for watching. That's all.